Fantastic.
There's Thomas and Bertie right there. There's some balloons.
Excellent.
Oh, I see Harold the helicopter way up in the sky. Hello, Harold.
Play again? No.
Which game do I want to do today? I know, size sorting. This is the game, that's where Percy collects the trucks.
Time and time and sort different sizes of objects to the correct trucks. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright then, get some golden rocks.
Hooray!
Oh, good dodge, Percy. Good job.
Hooray! They are great.
Oh, nice. Well done, Percy.
Hooray! You did it.
Let's try the big and smaller ones, if where all the trucks are being left.
Great. Hooray! They are big. Fantastic.
These shiny rocks is from the Shiny Show, and all the colours are like a red strawberry of strawberry shortcake and ginger snap. This is one of my favourite games, of my favourite size sorting games yet.
Well done. Well done. Good job.
Oh, nice. Good dodge, Percy. You can do it.
You did it. Time's up.
Oh, thanks, Percy. But what are you going to do next today, then? Let's see.
3, 2, 1, go.
I know. How about we can get black coal instead?
Fantastic.
Let's
Hooray,
try the
they
big
are big.
rocks.
You did it. Keep trying. Hooray! They are big.
These rocks
Hooray,
are for
they are
Diesel
small.
and Mavis.
Hooray! They
I
are big.
think our black coal,
Hooray, they are
like
big.
rocks, like have to put
Hooray!
his fists.
They are big.
They
Keep
see
trying.
oh, sorry, Percy,
Great.
before I was too late.
Good job.
Nice.
Hooray!
Good
They are
dodge,
big. Well done.
Percy.
Good
You
job.
see, I have quite a few things left.
Hooray!
Good.
They are big.
Oh,
Good job.
nice, Percy.
Hooray! They are
Nice.
small.
That looks
Hooray!
wonderful.
They are great.
I could have one of these favourite vtech games
Excellent.
like Kung Fu Panda, Bob the
done.
Builder, and
Time's up.
SpongeBob SquarePants, and Scooby-Doo Frenzy Funland. And this is my favourite games yet. How did I do?
Fantastic. Play again? No. Which can fix the count the engines?
I like count the engines. Alright, there's the fat controller, and looks like we're at town. Okay, let's see.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I saw Gordon, Edward, and Douglas.
3.
Murdoch's favourite colour is orange, just like the same as Billy off Thomas. And there's Diesel 10, Mavis, Toby. Oh, there's Arthur coming through. And there's Duke, Emily, and Donald. And that's Duck. Duck is from the Great Western Railway. And I counted 12 engines. Let's see a replay to see what we've got today. 1 Edward, 2 Gordon, 3 Douglas, 4 Diesel 10, 5 Murdoch, 6 Mavis, 7 Toby, 8 Arthur, 9 Duke, 10 Donald, 11 Emily, and last but not least is 12 Duck. Duck is from the Great Western Railway.
Here is the answer. Fantastic! You are right.
Oh, there's Bertie, Thomas, and the clown with a hot air balloon with windmill and colour balloons. And I see Harold up above the sky. Hello, Harold the helicopter.
Get ready for the next challenge.
Next challenge, guys.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I saw Arthur, Skarloey, Diesel 10,
4,
Bill or Ben. It's hard to tell the difference of Bill and Ben. Oh, we've got Gordon.
6,
We've got Donald and Douglas and Thomas the Tank Engine coming through. And we've got Henry and Emily. And there's James coming through.
12,
And there's Murdoch.
13,
There's Duck and Toby. And I counted 14 engines. So let's see a replay again. 1 Arthur. 2 Skarloey. 3 Diesel 10. 4 Bill or Ben. 5 Gordon. 6 Donald. 7 Thomas the Tank Engine. 8 Douglas. 9 Henry the number 3 Green Engine. 10 Emily. 11 James. 12 Murdoch. 13 Duck. 14 Toby. There's 14 engines counted.
Excellent. You are right.
That's right. I counted 14 engines on the screen. This is the game I can see. How did I do?
Fantastic. Play again? No. Which can fix the tracks? Use the joystick to choose an option and press enter. Keep an eye on Thomas and select the correct track pieces before he arrives. Use the joystick to choose an option and press enter to confirm. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Well done. Excellent. Fantastic.
Alright then, there's Thomas the Tank Engine going past the tracks. Good job, Thomas.
Get ready for the next
Alright,
challenge.
let's do the next challenge. Fix the Tracks is one of my favourite games yet.
1, go.
Alright then, we'll try another track. Alright then, let's see now.
Good job.
Oh, well done, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. You can do it, Thomas. You're a good tank engine today. I'm very proud of you today. Oh, good job, Thomas. Let's go. Go round the circle. Ooh. Wow. Good job, Thomas. You're a nice, useful engine after all. And there's Thomas and Bertie there. And up above, there see colourful balloons. And I see Harold the helicopter up the sky. Fantastic!
Play again? No. Which game do you want to Learning Zone? Engine Depot. Select an engine to visit. Emily, Bertie. Bertie is a bright red bus. Bertie is a bright red bus. Bertie is a bright red bus.
There's Bertie the bus. Oh, there's Diesel 10. Diesel 10 is the diesel engine of Day of the Diesels. And there's Diesel 10. Let's see the fun fact of Diesel 10. Diesel 10 is the Reggae Guy diesel engine on the island of Sodor of the Harmony of Sir Topham Hatt's Railway.
Diesel 10 is the troublemaking diesel engine. Edward is the number 2 blue engine.
Edward is one of the older engines in Sir Topham Hatt's railway that Sir Topham Hatt turns to in the order to calm everyone down.
Edward is the number 2 blue engine.
Oh yes, Edward is the number 2 blue engine, I think.
Emily is a very kind engine.
Emily is a very kind engine.
Emily is a very kind engine. Thomas is the number 1 blue engine.
Thomas can be described as a cheeky, fussy little engine. He often gets into engines, but clouds never last long in Thomas' world, an own branch line of which he is extremely proud.
Thomas is the number 1 blue engine. Gordon is the Big Express number 4 blue engine.
Let's see the fun facts of Gordon. To forgive and use his superior strength to help smaller engines in the world.
The Big Express number 4 blue engine.
Hello, Gordon.
Harold is a good-hearted helicopter.
There's Harold.
Harold is a good-hearted helicopter. James is the number 5 wonderful red engine.
Yes, it's James is the number 5 wonderful red engine in Sodor. Of the fun facts of James. James is a funny guy. He is off Thomas the Tank Engine. And Thomas the Tank Engine is from the stories of the books of Reverend W. Awdry in 1984, you see. I wonder what I can say next.
Percy is the number 6 small green engine.
Yeah, I see. Percy is the number 6 small green engine. He is Thomas's best friend in the old world of the time in the island of Sodor. If Percy listens to the Fat Controller, he's a little chap. He wants to do something real in the island of Sodor. Outside, he is always the keen in the island
Percy
of Sodor.
Is the number 6 small green engine. Toby is an old-fashioned number 7 tram engine.
Alright, that's it. Toby is an old-fashioned number 7 tram engine. He is off the Earl and I had in Redbridge High School. Toby is a wooden engine. He is not naughty to Sir Topham Hatt, but he's alright. So you see, because he remember anything of his causing grief without to do something by himself. So Toby, anyone expect his own faithful coach Henrietta.
Toby is an old-fashioned number 7 tram engine. Bertie is a bright red bus.
I can know the facts of of all the engine depot. I like the 10 engines from calling all engines of the engine depot.
Engine depot. Fiber.